G2S A20 Auto-CPAP machine with humidifier. We can see what is inside the box. So inside the box you can see there is a carrying case with a quick operational manual. Here we'll open the carrying case and see what is inside this. Here the device with the humidifier. So it is a BMC G2S A20 Auto-CPAP with humidifier. This is a power adapter, you can see. BMC hose pipe is there. One mask will also come along with this. So here it is a nasal mask. This is an optional mask. You can also choose for BMC full face mask. Here we have one extra filter and there is a power cord also. So this is all inside the carrying case. As we can see, here we have a CPAP machine with the power adapter, BMC hose pipe, power cord and one mask. So this is all inside the pack. So let's see the installation for BMC G2S A20 Auto-CPAP with humidifier. Now you can see here is a display screen. This is the mute button. This is a rotating knob. Here it is a RAM button. Back side of the device you can see there is a port for SD card. Here there is a filter. So you can see filter is there. You can take it out, you can clean it and you can change it also. This is the port for the hose pipe connection. You have to connect the hose pipe here. This is a humidifier. So you have to take the humidifier like this. You can open the tap, fill the water to the maximum level. After pouring the water, you can keep it like this. We'll on the power supply. Here on the screen you can see power indicator. So to make all these changes, you have to press the knob and RAM button together. On screen you can see different menu are there to make the setting changes. Here we come to this menu and change the mode. Here we have two modes, CPAP mode and auto mode is there. So you can set according to your doctor recommendation. And then there is a minimum APAP. So pressure you can set according to your doctor confirmation. Then all the settings is there, which is all on auto mode. There is sensitivity, there is a RAM, auto on or auto off. You can make it according to your comfort. Then there is a leak alert, so you can keep it on so that if there will be any leakage in mask or hose pipe, you can see the alert. Then there is a reflex. So it is this is the option which enables the device to reduce the treatment pressure when the patient exhales. So it makes more comfortable. So you can come back to the screen. You can see other menus. Here in this menu you can see the time it has been device has been used, your compliance hour, how many hours it has been used, and all the pressure. In this you can see the unit, time format, date, everything you can change accordingly. Mask type is also there. Whichever mask you are using, you can select it. So you can change here your language, service, everything you can see here. Okay, so now we will go to home screen. After pressing this knob once, you can see the therapy start. I have connected the hose pipe to this, so the pressure started coming. To off the therapy, you just have to press this knob. It will get stopped. Now to change the humidifier setting, you have to press the RAM button. Here on screen you can see there is a option for humidifier changes. So right now it is on 2, maximum level is 5, so you can use it accordingly, or if humidifier is not required you can keep it at off. So right now it is at 2, so we will keep it at 2. You can see tube length here. Reslex is off, so you can make it off or on according to your comfort. Ramp time is given, everything, all the settings here it is mentioned, so you can change accordingly. Now you are on home screen. So here if you want to see your report, you can press this mute button. Just in a single press it will show the scanner. So you have to download the BMC scanner on your app, on your phone. You can download it through Google Play Store, and here you can scan the code and you can see the report accordingly. So let's back to the home screen. Yeah, to start the therapy you have just to press this. The therapy will start. You can see humidifier setting, it is at 2. To off the therapy you just have to press it a little, it will get off. So this is all in the installation video for BMC G2S A20 Auto-CPAP with humidifier. Thank you.